Today we are just going to discuss the things we have done throughout the year, this week. So first, what about debate writing? I gave you one topic. Can anyone tell me the topic? I think, yes, Jebel. Just check, I have sent you the message. There I have mentioned medium. Yes. What is the topic? Yesterday, when I sent the homework, I mentioned the topic there. So, what is the topic? Anyone who bothers to read the homework? Yes, Jemil. Hurry up. Just tell me the topic. No one? Anmol? Asta? Very good, Abni. Yes, Mehak. Good. What about others? You don't even read the homework? The question is, junk food should be banned in school. This is your topic for debate. Now, junk food should be banned in school. So you have to choose whether you want to write in favor or against the topic, against the motion. Okay, I think most of you will choose in definitely in favor that it should be banned because you will get more points. Correct? And if you are choosing going against the motion, then you have to write about that. Now let's start. Junk food should be banned in school. What are your opinions? How would you present your opinions? What do you think? Hurry up. What do you think? Should it be banned or not in school? Hurry up. Both, you cannot write in, means you cannot choose both. You have to decide whether it should be banned or not, because this is debate. You have to be very much clear while writing. From in the beginning only, you have to mention whether you are going to support or you are against this. Yes. Yes, they should be. It should be banned. It should be banned. Correct. Okay. So if you are writing that it should be banned, then throughout your debate, you have to follow this notion only. Got it? And if you are writing against it, then throughout your debate, you have to do that. आप दोनों चीजें नहीं लिख सकते. You cannot write both. Means, okay, there are advantages, there are disadvantages. No, it shouldn't be if we consider this. Not like that. Okay? अगर आप ये चीज कर दोगे, okay, junk food should not. Otherwise, you are just saying it should be banned. And by the end of that debate, you are writing that if it is in, you can say in limit or something like that, then junk food should be allowed, something like that. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप अपने ही व्यूज को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रहे हो. यहाँ पे सारा टाइम आपने कहा है कि वो बैन होना चाहिए और एट द एंड यू आर सेइंग कि चलो अगर थोड़ा सा लिमिट में लिया जाए, थोड़ा सा लिमिट में खाया जाए, देन इट इज ओके. सो यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू डू दैट. ओके, फॉर और अगेंस्ट, वेरी मच क्लियर. एंड ये क्लैरिटी कहाँ होनी चाहिए? इन द बिगिनिंग ओनली. फर्स्ट लाइन पढ़ के पता चल जाना चाहिए whether you are going to support or you are writing against the motion. Is it okay? Understood? Okay. Anmol has given me the beginning. Very good. Good morning, everyone. Today I, Anmol Kaur of class 8A, is going to represent my views in the favor of junk topic. Junk food should be banned in the school. Chalo. Yes. Anyone else with the beginning? If we eat junk food, it causes obesity, and obesity causes various heart diseases. Okay, correct, Akshma. Then I just want the beginning. How you are going to begin this? What is the way that you are going to start? And how many of you have written letter? I think it's in 6th class. Okay. Yes, hurry up. How to begin? And this debate should be in your notebooks. You have to write your notebooks. Hurry up, hurry up. Give me the beginning. How are you supposed to write? How you are going to begin your debate? Introduction, your introduction, topics introduction, greeting. Hurry up, type. Okay, quit junk food as the meal, otherwise it will make you ill. Okay, this is, you can say the quotation. You are going to begin with quotation. Okay, Tanushka, good. Then others, bache, hurry up. Good morning, all of you. Today I, Jayant of class 8th, is going to speak against, okay? Speak against the motion. Instead of writing topic, use this word, going to speak against the motion. Junk food should be banned, okay? Bani is saying a very glittery morning to all of you today. I, Bani of class 8, mentions that I am going to speak on the against, speak against, present my views against the motion that junk food should be banned. Okay, this way you have to start. Others. Good morning to all. I, Karanveer Singh, standing here to debate on view junk food. Karan, when you are presenting your views, instead of writing debate, use these words only, that going to present my views, going to give my opinion against or in the motion of the topic or in motion of whatever the topic is. Yes, Prabal, in fair notebook. In fair notebook. Yes. Hurry up. That's all. बस इतने ही बच्चों ने बताना था. Where are others? Okay. Good morning. I am Manasu of class 8. He is going to speak against the motion junk food should be banned in school. Okay. Correct. Acha, now you are just writing good morning, all of you. Good morning, all. Mention, because debate, mostly debates are competitions. So, good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, judges, like this. Is it okay? And my fellow contestants. Like this, you have to greet your contestants, fellow contestants also. Okay, competitors also. So include that also. Today, I, Yashika of class 8, had got a golden opportunity to speak against the topic junk food be banned in school, from school. Chalo. Okay. So just expand that good morning, mention किस को कर रहे हो good morning, and then include your competitors. Then start that you are going to speak against or for. Okay, and then second paragraph. Then you have to start second paragraph, and while writing, starting your second paragraph from the beginning, start giving stress. In my opinion, I firmly believe, I totally agree or I totally disagree. Use these phrases to begin. Okay. Change should, this is by Agni. Change should be brought from school only. Good morning, everyone. Everybody, today I dash of class 8A am going to speak for the motion that instead of writing speak for the motion, I'm going to speak in the motion that junk food should be banned in school. Mehak is saying, good morning, everyone. This is Mehak Preet Kaur of class 8A. Today I am here to represent my views in the favor of motion that junk food should be banned in school for the good health and proper nutrition of students. Okay, correct. You can use the quotations also. Okay. So next, now come to the next paragraph. Second paragraph. How to begin? Just एक point ही चाहे बता दो. No need to write all the points. Just tell me how are you going to start your second paragraph. Hurry up. Your second paragraph. Give any point. Quick. Okay. Bani is saying in this century, youngsters have the great craze for junk food. Do you ever think it is good for your or health or not? Clearly not, but we ignore our health and eat junk food. In school, students come to be strong and healthy, but if in school junk food will be given, it leads to many health issues, problems, and make the students weak, and junk food may affect the students' immunity. Okay. Okay. Chilbani, you need to use some phrases. You have written, Bani, that it leads to many health issues. Why don't you start writing about one or two health issues? That way you will get the content. अब तुमने ऐसे लिख दिया कि that many health issues, many problems, so it means you have covered everything. तो आपका content कम हो जाएगा. Why don't you start with that obesity and then heart problems because of that? Junk food is eaten as very light in less quantity. Hardik, what are you saying? Okay. Okay, Bani, okay. Include the phrases. I strongly disagree. I strongly agree. I firmly believe that food should be banned from school. Hurry up. Only Bani has written. What about others? Anvay, no answer from your side, na? Okay, Anmol is saying, I totally agree that junk food is compulsory to be banned in the school, from the school. I personally have observed that many children in the school don't eat their lunch and go to canteens for the unhealthy food. And I totally disagree. Okay, I totally disagree. Chalo, with this. Chalo, ठीक है. Okay, Anmol. Veda is saying in this country, 60% people are dependent on junk food. Junk food, it can cause obesity. Okay, Veda, correct. Instead of writing person, people talk about students. Okay, because our topic is related to school, na? So talk about students. I firmly believe that this is Bhavika's paragraph. I firmly believe that junk food is harmful for our health, to our health, and it should be banned from school. This can help to reduce the daily eating junk food. Okay. Health is wealth, trouble. That's all. Second paragraph, itna sa health is wealth. Avni is saying point which can be added in the debate. Okay, the data from WHO says that the children of India are mostly becoming short in their height and fat also. The reason is found junk food. Put column and write down junk food. Correct. See, in debate you have to give facts, data, right? Evidences. So in case you do not have any exact data, create your own according to WHO. 90% of students, okay, 90% of children like this. अपनी मर्जी से लिख दो. Nobody is going to check. Is it okay? Then, as far as I am concerned, that heart problems, brain issues, indigestion can be caused. In order to deal with this, we should not. Bani, first you have to give. You are saying, okay, junk food should be banned. Write down, these are the reasons that it should be banned. पहले reasons पे focus करो. Why junk food should be banned, okay? Health is wealth. Good morning, judges and principal ma'am and worthy teachers. Good morning, judges, principal ma'am and worthy teachers. Today, I, Prabal of class 8A, is going to speak in the favor that junk food should be banned from the schools. Okay. Okay. All others, they are just sitting. I don't know whether they are sitting. Eknoor, what happened to you? Gundeep? Manan? Give answers. Shreya, what are you doing? No answer from your side. Okay, Anmol is saying, I believe that many children fall ill only because of their bad eating habits, and this also lead to the loss of studies. Correct? Pulkit, Shivam, what happened to you? You are also not giving answers, and Raghav, you? आप तो answers देते हो. Manasv, Varun, hurry up. See, debate, this is the new topic. So there are chances that this topic can come maybe for 10 marks. Directly, not this topic means debate. Okay? Maybe for 10 marks. Yes, Prabal. In next paragraph, you have to include everything. Give the details. Why it should be banned. What are the harms? Why it is harmful. Okay, Bani is saying in addition to this, junk food is made with impure things and unwashed raw materials. And sometimes they are made with chemicals and artificial colors. Okay, okay. They are mostly processed food, na? So that is frozen food. That is not good for anybody's health. Jevan, I firmly believe that junk food should be banned in school as it causes many health problems like obesity, heart problem. Also, it is being observed that many students do not eat their lunch, which is given by their mothers, and eat spring rolls, burgers, all from canteen, which they buy and eat. Okay. Okay. Write down that from school they learn different things. Okay, and so it is the responsibility of the school to teach them why it should be banned. If it is banned there in the school, then definitely it will help them to avoid junk food outside school. Okay? One is, you know that it should be banned because it causes different problems. Second, from school they learn different things. Correct? So it should be taught in school. And then harmful effects. Mostly it is going to be about harmful effects. Karan is saying nowadays youngsters build fashion at the food, but at school we should have healthy food, not to eat junk food. Many children are being rushed to canteen and avoid the lunchbox. Junk food makes us sleepy at the study time. It makes us unhealthy. It causes many diseases. Okay. Avni is saying school is the place where children are taught good habits, and junk food should be banned to teach a new lesson to children. Also, some children cheat. Their parents steal money to buy junk food from canteen and throw away the homemade nutritious food. Correct. Correct. This is also correct. Valid point. So this way you are going to complete this debate. Make sure that if you are saying it should be banned, not even for a moment you are supposed to go against this. You are not supposed to say, okay, we can have it in less quantity or limited quantity, not like that. Is it okay? It should be banned. That's all. Baat khatam yahin pe. It should be a good idea to ban the junk food in school as to make the children healthy. In starting, it will be difficult, but not impossible. Yes, correct, Vani. Maybe in the end you can write this, okay? But not in the middle. Ending. Keep this thing in your mind that throughout this debate, you have to follow what you have said in the beginning, whether it should be or it shouldn't be. Okay? Jevan, against it, I think there are less points. First point can be that every type of food should be provided in schools, right? And second, the school must tell the students about healthy and unhealthy things, but it should be totally on the child. Means the choice should be given to the child, what he wants to do. Okay, so just to make the child independent. These types of points I think against. Yashika is saying children do not bring lunchbox and waste money on unhealthy canteen food, and eating too much junk food causes obesity as it leads to heart problem, and teenagers should take good diet in the growing age. Okay. First thing, when you are writing one point, focus on that particular point only. Second point लिखने के लिए use. Secondly, first, in addition to, besides, moreover, furthermore. Okay, ये वाले words use करो ताकि पता चले अब आपने अपना point change कर लिया है. Got it? Prabal is saying junk food is very bad thing in schools. Junk food should be banned because junk food is an unhealthy food which causes many diseases like indigestion. Junk food is made from bad raw material and it is very unhealthy, and nowadays coronavirus and Omicron is going on. So we should not eat bad things from canteen. It can also cause these viruses. Okay. Okay. We can be exposed to these viruses. Elders stop us not to eat junk food, but we argue with them and buy junk food. Okay. अनवी, अगर आप ऐसा कहोगे ना तो इट मीन्स आप दोनों साइड पे हो. इज इट ओके? तो ये पॉइंट जो है वो आपके ओपोनेंट के पास जाएगा. मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि क्लास में नहीं बोलना चाहिए, नहीं बोलना चाहिए, नहीं बोलना चाहिए, एंड सडनली आई से ओके थोड़ा बहुत बोल लो, तो वो जो है वो पॉइंट दूसरे पर्सन के पास जाएगा, उस ओपोनेंट के पास चला जाएगा. इट मींस आई एम कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग माय ओपिनियन, माय व्यूज ओनली. प्रबल, अराउंड 6 to 7 शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ. तो यही तो बात है अनवे, आप कह रहे हो बैन मत करो, आप दोनों, आप एक बोर्ड, दोनों बोर्ड्स में हो इस हिसाब से. यू आर सेइंग कि ओके डू नॉट बैन, कि बैन ना करो, ठीक है, लेकिन साइड बाय साइड होममेड फूड को भी यू आर गिविंग प्रेफरेंस. सो एक चीज पे जाओ. यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अगेंस्ट योर फेवर. यू आर सेइंग दैट इट शुड नॉट बी बैन. यू आर सेइंग दिस. जस्ट टेल दिस कि ये बैन नहीं होना चाहिए स्कूल्स में. What happened? Okay. और आप मुझे भी कंफ्यूज कर रहे हो. वैसे जनरली कोई और पॉइंट हो अगर तो ऐसे बोल सकते. हाँ, इफ यू आर इट्स अबाउट स्पीच, फिर तो डिसएडवांटेजेस एडवांटेजेस बोथ. जंक फूड डज नॉट कंटेन प्रोटीन कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बट कंटेन्स 99% ऑफ फैट्स. ओके, करेक्ट बानी. अच्छा, अगर इफ यू आर सेइंग अनवे कि इट शुड नॉट बी बैन, ठीक है, बट एट द सेम टाइम स्टूडेंट शुड फोकस ऑन होममेड फूड, तो थोड़ा सा ठीक है, इट विल गो. चलो, चल जाएगा थोड़ा बहुत. जंक फूड कैन नॉट बी बैन. व्हाई रोहित? व्हाई इट कैन नॉट बी बैन? लॉस किसका लॉस है? योर लॉस. हुज लॉस? ओ, कैंटीन. ओके, वेरी थॉटफुल.